So traders, good day. How are you doing, guys? Guten Tag from North Korea. Guten Tag, mein Freund. Hoffentlich hast du endlich mal Internet. So guys, how are you doing all? I just want to give you all a little bit of a quick update right now if you have any questions about some pairs. So, GU is playing us. Yeah, GU is playing with us over and over again. Let's see. Guten Tag from stinky and dirty India. Hello, my friend. Oh, everybody's so funny today. Really enjoy this. Yeah. So guys, how's your trading day so far? Did you bank some profit already or only some losses? Darius, do you stop analyzing GJ? No, we will not stop GJ. No. GJ is pretty good. I mean, the thing is, because of GU, GJ, they move almost the same. Okay, so, oops. Always when I close my browser, I don't know why, but then this drawing tool doesn't work properly. So the first time it doesn't work properly. Yeah, guys. So GJ and the GU are almost the same. Okay, they are moving. Yeah, pretty similar, and this is the thing where you can take advantage of it, okay? Because sometimes, this is the nice thing about them. Whenever GJ is short, for example, then most of the times also GU will be short, but the movements are a little bit different, okay? Sometimes you can catch the move on GU first, sometimes you can catch the move on GJ. This is how I'm doing, this is what I observed the last couple of months and years. Yeah, that's one of the most important difference between those two. But basically, they will both provide you almost the same structure and so on. But for example, GJ went from those two. It was the first one who was creating the next higher high, and GU has done the same. Okay, but it's not absolutely necessary that also GU will do this. But in this case, GU did it then the next couple of days. So that's the difference. So GJ did it on Friday, creating a new higher high, and GU created it on Monday, for example. Okay, so that's sometimes the movements are a little bit different, but they will do all the same. But in this case, I didn't expect that thing. Okay, that's for sure. I didn't expect it. Also, GU will create a new higher high level. But yeah, from my point of view, this whole thing is just a manipulation, and GU needs to drop crazy to the downside. So let's see. Let's start with EURUSD because it gives GBP direction. Yeah, that's also an interesting point on getting the trade for GU. That's for sure. On EURUSD, guys, this is the analysis that I shared with you on TradingView today. This is definitely the area where I'm looking to short this pair. But as you can see, it is still super bullish. Look down over here at the 4 hours. The market is still at a very high point, but this is definitely an area of liquidity. That means that's a good potential returning point. Let me check out the lower time frame as well. Yeah, look at this strong impulse correction, and now from here you can expect another impulse to the upside. This is also definitely possible. Yeah, let's just see how this market will develop, guys. Okay, let's just see. Everything is possible, but from my point of view, it should drop sooner or later, because this is right now, as you can see, it is a little bit overextended to the upside. So you can, for example, what I like to do is I just like to feel right now this impulse, and in this case you can see it perfectly touched the 0.786, and from that level that market was just dropping. Okay, and maybe we're going to touch this level one more time. I don't know. Okay, this is one option that you can do, and a second one is that you're going to figure out this whole thing, this whole movement as one impulse, and that means you're currently at the 0.618, and you can still expect, for example, that the market will test the 0.786 over here because it is perfectly in confluence with this level of supply. But I would like to show you something different, okay? Because this is how I'm looking at supply demand. I'm looking a little bit different. You can spot over here this thing here as a resistance support area. Okay, this is going to be the area. So I just seen it today on TradingView, and I just started a little bit laughing. I mean, that's from my point of view. Would you sell at this resistance? So just a question right now for you, and you can write it right now down. Would you sell EURUSD from here? I mean, that's the trap that I'm talking about support resistance. This is why I'm not interested in trading support resistance, because if you will trade support resistance, guys, oh my gosh, this is completely difficult. I don't know how you're going to approach a good setup with trading only support resistance. Yeah, who have I? No, of course no. This is just a liquidity hunt, okay? Because the market is interesting in this level currently. This is the level which EURUSD would like to grab the liquidity. Why? Because here, all retail traders, they look at this, okay, this is previous support, we broke through it, that's resistance, market is breaking more lower, and right now, okay, let's short it from here, going down. Nah, that will never happen, never. Why? All the stop losses are here, all the stop losses are going to be hit, and maybe right now, also a lot of those traders who took short, they will take right now long. They are waiting right now for the market to test this level, and they are going to go long. Maybe this will really happen. It's a very good possibility. But at this level, it will then return, and it will drop down. And they will not hit their take profit, because their take profit will be maybe here. Or maybe here. I don't know where retail traders are putting every time their take profit level. Okay, that's the thing, guys. Everything is driven by liquidity, and shorting from here, this is just stupid, really stupid. I mean, never do this. Right now, the next good opportunity is really around that area right now, and also in the 4 hours, you got strong level of supply over here. And the thing is that, yeah, all this liquidity could be also here provided a little bit up front. This is right now the question: will it go one more time to the upside before dropping down? Let's see, guys. So, I only trade GJ, and your analysis is accurate. That's why I use SIDs. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. I guess reverse at 1.2215 or at last 1.217. Yeah. Let it check it out. Which price did we hit? Yeah, the 1.216, 17. Yeah, it's one of the levels. So as you can see, definitely here a strong level of liquidity around that area, because the market, yeah, spiked crazy to the downside. Boom. And right now, what you do expect is the market should, yeah, just keep dropping. But of course, it could easily smash that move, going up higher before going then lower. That's definitely a possibility. So let's see. What is your spread on GJ? Minus 1.20 pips. Is that good? Let me check. On GJ, I have 4 micro pips. Okay, so or 0. Yeah. My spread is really low. Currently 1-2 micro pips. That means 0.1 pips. That's my spread. So if you have 1 pip, that's huge, man. That's 10 times higher than mine. So this is my spread. So it always depends, okay? Sometimes, so it is always in this range till 1.4, something like this. This is always in this range, okay? So the market is always changing every second, okay? But that's not the problem. This is still a very less spread. EURUSD, for example, have 0. Okay, GU I also have often only 0. AUD/USD also 0. So the USD pairs is always less, and gold is about 0.07. This is what I have on gold. Yeah, sometimes till 1 pip, 0. Yeah, that's also what I have. But for example, USD JPY 0, USD CHF 0. entity USD 0. Yeah, that's basically my spread that I use. So I need to adjust entry. Are you in the inner circle, my friend? Yeah, yes, of course, sorry. Yeah. Always adjust the spreads for the signals that I sent in the inner circle. Always adjust them. Okay, that's super important because you don't have the same spreads like I have. Adjust them with 1 to 2 pips, something like this. Okay, when you have 1 point something, then just use 2 pips, and then you're good. So also the entry and also stop loss you should adjust then. Okay. No, next daily candle will be most likely above. Do you speak about EURUSD right now? Who have I? I mean, look at this. On EURUSD, I would like to see the market dropping from here lower, okay, to breaking the structure, creating a new lower low. Maybe it will find over here some support because this is a strong level of demand, like I already explained to you. So from here, a nice buying opportunity. We in the inner circle, we missed this entry because of 1 pip or something like this. We started here to take a long, but yeah, we missed it. And right now, look at this strong move to the upside. Now from here, I do expect that the market should just drop down. Okay, just dropping down. For a creation of a new lower low all around this area. So this is then my next level of buying. So we got two strong levels of liquidity. So you got liquidity here and you got liquidity over here, okay? And the market will decide which one he likes better, this one or this one. But in this case, he really likes the lower lows because here the most stop losses are going to be hit, because also those who took a long here, they have their stop losses here. And with this movement to the downside, they will just hit also their stop loss, and then they are going to have just those free money that the market will then just go crazy to the upside. So this is what I do expect right now. EURUSD, a nice short, and therefore also like you already explained it, GBPUSD will also go to the downside. I don't like to use right now the EURUSD in the correlation with that. I really like to use the DXY in case of that, because the DXY is the exact pair with the GBP. So you got GBP, and then here you got XX, and that is the US dollar. So you would like to use then the DXY if you have a GBPUSD. If you have GBP/GBY, then you need to check out the Japanese index. But like I told you, GBPUSD is moving almost the same, okay? But then you definitely need to check out also the JXY, okay, just to find out how this is moving. Okay, this is then of course very important for you. Okay, so what pairs do you want me to analyze? So okay, I can see GA, Euro, GPY. Okay, let's do it. So the next one, I think it was, yeah, I mean, let's do GJ, sorry guys, GJ we're going to do right now. Look at this. This is something which I already explained today, okay? So you got over here on the monthly time frame, the market has broken this trend line, okay? Trend lines are super nice, but only on the higher time frames. I don't like using trend lines on the lower ones. I mean, yes, I do it, but only as an extra confluence whenever I'm going to take a short or a long. And when I see that this trend line is going to be used as a liquidity grab, then for me, this is a further confirmation for my trade. Because I always like to trade like the institutions. So I trade like the institutions because I know they are using trend lines in order to trap you, okay? So they use it to fill in their orders. And in this case over here, we're going to use it for the overall direction on GGA because it broke out. You expect a retest, and afterwards you expect that this market should just continue to move up higher. And now based on this impulse over here, you would like to see the market retracing to the downside. specifically at least till the 0.382. And what you can see over here is that the market is perfect in confluence with this previous level of resistance over here, and this is going to be turned then to as new support around this area. So you expect this movement, and afterwards the overall continuation to the upside, and then it's going to be the next target around this level 155. Something like this is going to be then the next target. The weekly, like I told you, should drop down afterwards till this level. This is what we would like to see. So GJ, I'm overall bearish, and afterwards strong bullish continuation. Daily time frame, market has provided us here W formation. That means we would like to see, based on this impulse right now, at least a correction till the 0.382. This is what the market already achieved. That means from here the market could easily reject it before dropping more to the downside. This is something which this market need to decide it by themselves how they're going to do this. It will all depend on liquidity. Look here, we got a nice M formation. Market has given us the correction impulse to the downside. What you can expect right now is from this level of demand right now, some movements to the upside before it will drop down again. So something like this and then drop. That's the ID currently. Looking down on the lower time frames, yes, the market, look at this, respected this area, but could not right now easily break through this level. Okay. Yeah, perfectly. Yeah, that's how GJ is moving right now. Okay. Then let's do also GU, and then we're going to continue with the other one. Darius, when you send signals, can you send them in a different channel only for that purpose? Because they can be confusing when sent with auto messages, explanation, etc. Okay, so you mean that we're going to do for the inner circle two channels, one for the analysis and one only for signals? Is that the point? If yes, then you can also write me a private message, my friend. That's not a problem. Or you can write it down in the inner circle chat, and we can do it there more precisely. So I'm going to ask this question. Yes, okay, I'm going to ask this question in the inner circle, and then let's figure out a solution for that, of course. That's not a problem, okay? But right now, we'd like to continue right now over here with the analysis. GA we can do as well, but right now we would like to continue with GU. GU is stuck in the middle between looking at since morning. I think it will move New York open around 9:30. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what kind of specific price or time they're going to move up or down. That's not a problem. The thing is right now, GU looks like this. Okay, you are in this rising wedge over here. We completed 5 waves to the upside, and this market is definitely ready to drop to the downside based on the daily. You also got over here a nice W formation. That means the market should drop down from here to the downside, and this is going to be the first target, and maybe we're going to achieve this target. So let's see how it will develop, this movement to the downside. But overall, I expect GU to move crazy to the downside, guys. That's currently my ID. I'm looking to short this market. It is, from my point of view, overextended to the upside, and hedge funds have added longs and shorts, so they are currently just diving to the upside to drive more liquidity. Okay, so they added a little bit more longs than shorts, but overall there are a little bit net positions in longs. From my point of view, that means only they are going because of the market is like this, and then it went lower. Okay, and then they were at equal, and at this level they shorted, and then they bought the market for a fake out, and then I do expect something like this. So this is kind of the, like a head and shoulders, something like this is this kind of the movement that they've done. And at this price they released the cut data that this market is going to be bought by them and also shorted at the same time, and then you're just looking at the cut data and you have just a big question mark. You don't know what to do. But in fact, if you have a look on the overall chart technicals from the monthly, weekly, daily, you will understand one important thing, and that's that this market is overextended to the upside, and that this market is at a strong area of liquidity based on the monthly, and it is definitely ready to drop down. This is kind of the thing which I expect. I mean, I can be wrong, of course, but this is not what I do expect in this kind of market currently, because it really looks like this market should drop down. We have confirmation from the DXY. The dollar index is overall currently bullish, okay? So it is ready for a correction. You got this strong level, okay? This is level of demand, and from the weekly you also got this W formation. Speaking about this one, and the market, yeah, should go a little bit higher, okay, a little bit higher to test at least the 0.5. So let me check it out. Based on this impulse, you can see we're not there yet, okay. We still have a little bit more upside room. If I'm going to drag it like this, also then we didn't touch it perfectly. So yeah, still room to the upside from my point of view. I expect we're going to test around that 0.618 because it is the best level on the weekly time frame. Yeah, let's see. And this whole thing, look here, just a correction. Okay, and therefore right now what I do expect is another move to the upside, and then afterwards this huge drop. And here we're going to buy GU again, and during this movement over here we're going to sell GU. That's it, guys. That's the idea behind it. Okay, then let me check out the comments a little bit. Code data is old from last week. Yeah, I mean, I do not care about that, okay? Because the code data is something which everybody can see at the same time. When it is old for us, then also for the hedge funds, it is old data, okay? And we need to understand what that means, okay? What about XRP? Yeah, we'll do XRP soon. However, I saw gold not going to break today's high up. No, bro. Gold is going to drop down. Look at this. This kind of the idea behind gold currently. Gold is at a strong area of supply. The C wave is not completed yet. So I got it right now. This is the A. This is the B. And this is then from here you expect the C. And C is not done yet. Still one last leg to the downside before this market is going to go up. I expect that this market should test this level over here again. That's 0.5 based on the monthly. You got a daily bearish pattern. You got the EM formation here. That's it. Let me do GA for you, bro. Yeah, look at this. That was the last time that I shared with you GA. It was at this area of supply, and from here the market, yeah, dropped to the downside. You got a strong area of daily supply. Overall, that's going to be the same thing. Short-term short, overall GBP long. Yeah, same weekly or daily supply as well. Daily supply. You got over here daily demand. Currently you're at a support area where you should take definitely some profit. Bro, I do not trade currently GA. I was trying to do it, but I didn't find a good strategy so far. But I really would like to trade GA because GA you can trade at any time. That's one of the best things on GA. You got very strong movements as well. But right now, bro, I'm not that good in GA to give you right now so good information for you that you're going to have profits with my trading ideas right now. So I mean, I can only see here a level of demand. Maybe from here the market will push up higher, but here below you have another one. Okay, so I don't know, bro. That's the two options that I see currently. Maybe it will push a bit higher till this level and then drop down. So to complete this impulse correction, I don't know yet. But for me, to be honest, the most successful thing, what I do expect is kind of this movements. This is what I see right now. It's the best probability right now. But I don't know, bro. I don't know. Sorry for that. I'm not a GA expert. Yeah, Carlos. Hello, guys. Hello, my friend. Yeah, also just waiting for GU. GU's really, taking his time. Based on the daily, guys, I would like to see that this market will drop till this level. Let's see if it will go one more time to the upside before doing this. I don't know, man. I don't know. This is something which, I just need to wait right now. Okay, patient. Yeah. XRP. Sorry, XRP is the next one. Yeah. So XRP, from my point of view, is going to go crazy to the upside. So the next movement will be right now till $1.50. So you can still make right now 3 times your money from this current price. Some of you bought at this price like me, around this area. You can make much more right now, so 7x is possible currently for all those who've been following my XRP analysis the last couple of months. Now look at this. I changed a little bit the analysis because that was not true. So this Elliott wave theory which I've made for this movement was not true because of wave number 1 and wave number 4 over here. They cannot overlap, and they did it. But it's not a problem because it's kind of the same movement still. Okay, so if you follow like this, I follow it not like Elliott wave right now. I follow it like that's impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse. Okay, and that's 5 waves to the upside, but it's not 5 Elliott wave. So it's not the Elliott waves to the upside, but those are still 5 waves to the upside. And this is something which I've done over and over again. And according to my strategy, it doesn't matter if this will overleap over here. That's not a problem. Therefore, I will just view this whole thing just as 5 waves to the upside. So not that somebody of you will just write down, oh, that's not true and stuff like this. That's one impulse, okay? Then there's another impulse to the downside, which is in this case a correction, and you got ABC, and then from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We expect wave number 5, and if this market will go up right now, then you got a W formation. Then from this level, or maybe here all across this area, you will expect another short, another correction based on this impulse, a correction till the 0.618, and then afterwards the continuation till $1.50. That's next target for XRP. That's what I see, guys. I think GBPUSD could break out, depending on the news. Yeah, bro, man. Let's see, what news do we have today? Look at this. I didn't even check. I didn't even know that we have today some news. Yeah, we have some dollar news. From my point of view, those news should be good. They should be good. I don't know. I don't care. Everything is right now just according to the DXY. Okay, if you have a look right now at the DXY, so we will have here a big impact. What you have, so 4 o'clock. So in 2 hours, we will have here some news. What do we have right now is this pattern. You got here W formation on the daily, and the market started already to move up higher, currently giving us a correction based on this whole thing. Switching down to the 4 hours, you can see that the market has provided us over here an ABC correction right now. And from this level of demand currently, you should expect the market to reverse. That means I would like to see one impulse, correction, not impulse. That's going to be the ID on the DXY. I do not care if it will go only till this level, maybe only till that level. What I like to see is till the 0.618 based on the weekly, and that's going to be around this level over here. Let me check it out if it is perfect in confluence with the daily. Yeah, it's good. Okay, that's kind of the thing. So maybe today's news are going to be good, because if they are going to be good, then we can easily achieve this kind of the fib retracement. Specifically, I would like to reach the 0.5, and the 0.5 is going to be a little bit higher. Let me just delete this one. It's not absolutely necessary anymore. We would like to see move till 0.5. Yeah, look at this. A little bit above that area. Yeah, that would be good enough. Okay, that would be good enough. And this kind of movement will be good for GU, guys. For a nice drop. But let's see, guys. Let's see. What can also happen is that maybe GU will just fake out crazy to the upside before dropping. Okay, that's also still a possibility, because I think that most of the traders are currently too shorted, but right now you're in conflict. Okay, conflict why? Because you got your previous level of resistance, now turn support. Retail traders are going to buy right now. But if you understand the overall situation, then you know that this market needs to drop down. Let's see. Okay, GBP is strong. Currently, AUDs were weak. I think in GU could break out depending on the news. Yeah. Hello, when do you think gold will reach the low support? Bro, I don't know, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. The time doesn't matter, bro. That's not important for us traders. Important for us just to take the advantages. Currently, that's the supply area. going short from this area is definitely a good idea to rock it till this level. From here, go long. Just a game of probabilities. AUD/USD short, like I explained it today. Here, supply area, very deep into the supply area. From here, expecting movement to the downside. Let me check GU as well. How is it moving? Yeah, just moving. Very slowly. So for me, it really looks like this whole thing is going to be big distribution phase. 4 hours are basically bearish right now. Okay, but look at this. In 1 hour, we're going to close the 4 hour candlestick. Let's see. If we close again bearish like this, then we expect to fill in the wick. Move down, move up, move down, move up, move down. Let's see, guys. I cannot predict the future. Once again, cannot predict the future. I'm just telling you what I see, and this is how my strategy works, how my analyzing skills work. I can just share with you based on the information that I got, based on the DXY, based on the cut data, based on the market structure, based on the higher time frames, based on the lower time frames, based on supply demand, based on liquidity. I can tell you what I do expect that is going to be the best probability. That's it, guys. Yeah. GBP AUD DB formation. What is a DB formation? Who have I, bro? What is a DB formation? Don't know what a DB formation is. Basically, I cannot see here any kind of patterns currently. The 1 hour. I mean, what I can see, look at this. You got here just head and shoulders, and from here the market went all the way to the downside, but never came back to retest it to go then lower. And currently, it is a level demand, and from here you could easily expect the market to go a little bit higher before going lower. Okay, so like I explained to you, that's the impulse. Maybe we're going to see a correction, then the over continuation to the downside. Double bottom. Yeah, I do not care that much about double bottom, to be honest, because I like more the M and W formations. Double bottom is always used as liquidity areas. So yeah, it may work. I don't know how they work on the 1 hour, to be honest. You need to figure it out for yourself. I don't know, bro. But yeah, I mean, you can see here that the market failed to go lower, but that's kind of, how should I say, kind of a support area, okay? That's kind of a resistance area as well right now. And the market is a little bit trapped, so you need to wait for a breakout or to wait here to go down lower. But overall, if you have the overall market structure, then you can view 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And currently you expect A, which is a complex A in this case, A, B, C, and then from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it will follow the trend, but I don't know, bro. Okay. And guys, one last thing about the Forex 1 million challenge. That's really crazy thing. I participate right now on this challenge since October every month, and I just won last weekend 5K US dollar. And that's really not difficult. So I was participating because of using their accounts, okay? And you get over here, if you're losing a total lot of 3 for trading, and that's something which you will succeed within the first trading week, then you will receive from them 1 coupon. So you will get 1 coupon, and they distribute an average about 1.5k coupons every month, so 1.5k. And the 30 coupons will win. Okay, they will win between 1k. This is the win between 1k till 20k. Everybody will win something. And yeah, I didn't win the 20k, but I won 5k. Okay, 1k is the minimum that you can win if you have a winning coupon. So that's just, again, like in trading, a game of probabilities, and they will do it till summer, I think. Yeah, that's, I mean, actually that's really not difficult to participate, and you can win easy money. Okay, I mean, it's like a lottery, but the games are much higher, and the gain is also much more higher, because if you win at the lotto, you will not win that much like you can win it right now on Forex. So just a little bit of advertising by my side. You can just use the link that I wrote down in the Telegram channel if you would like. And also, like I told you, we have pretty tight spreads. We have a very nice rebate program. This is how I get every month some money just by only trading the Forex market. I don't need to be profitable, but I will still earn the money. Okay, GBP actually shouldn't go up, but US stock market will still go up. Stimulus thing and the Bitcoin crazy, USD squeeze low and end GBP. Yeah, bro, that could be. I mean, actually, I don't know. End up my GBP squeeze up. I'm currently still in the trade. Let's see. I mean, also I hope that this thing should drop down, but if it will not, then I cannot change it. So don't be too sad because you lose 1 trade or 2 trades or 3 trades. That's not a problem, okay? From my point of view, it should still drop down, but if it will not drop down, then that's also not a problem, guys. Darius, do you agree? Even if we're lucky, GBP can go back 1.30 today. GBP will not back to 1. Bro, what's the thing if it will be today or if it will be tomorrow? You have right now probabilities. This is what I expect, at least, is still this level over here at 1.35 15, like you wrote it down, and from here it should go up. But let's see if it will really go down. So USD CHF. Yeah, dropping down. Look at this. That was the area of supply from where I would like to see the GBP USD CHF dropping to the downside. So as you can see, the US dollar is definitely currently losing in value. But because of this correction, it should be right now almost done. It should go up. That means for the GBPUSD, it's always a good thing. Okay, you got here, that's the W formation. Look at this, perfectly retracement till the 0.618. That means from here, you would like to see the market continue on USD CHF to going up higher, okay, to pass this level. And that's going to be the thing, guys. Okay, this is why also the GBP should go right now to the downside, and Euro USD should go down, and also gold should go down. Okay. Trend is up, GBP. Yeah, of course the trend is up, but this is what I would like to explain it to you over and over again. Look at this. We already completed those waves to the upside. I explained it also today very detailed in the first live stream today. Please watch it, then you will understand that this whole market is already completed. All those waves over here is completed. The market should drop down, okay, at least, like I told you, based on the monthly time frame, at least till the 0.382. That's the minimum. So 1.3550. Let me check it again. So you track your fib level from this retracement to the upside, and what you would like to see is at least till 0.32, which is the 1.3365. That's the minimum what you would like to see on the GBP down movement. That's the minimum. And then from here, you would like to see maybe till 0.5, maybe till 0.618, and then from here, the overall bullish continuation. Don't get me wrong, this whole thing is still bullish as hell, still super bullish, but it needs to go down for a correction. That's absolutely necessary. Why? Because of hedge funds will close their positions. This is how it works. You got impulse, correction, impulse, correction. Right now we are at the upside of the impulse, and we would like to see at least a correction. But in this case, because of we are at the monthly error supply, we could even see a B, C correction, and this market will go down lower to test maybe even that level over here. That's also a possibility. And then from here to go up higher. Okay? You need to understand when a trend is going to change, because if I will only buy an uptrending market, that will not work, because this is why retail traders do not make money in only they do not even make money if a market is in an uptrend and they're going to buy it, because they're not going to understand when the market is correcting. So okay, any other questions, guys? If not, then I would like to finish this live stream, and I'm going to come back tomorrow 0.745. As always, this is going to be right now our live streams on YouTube. Okay, well, we're going to do this right now every day, so almost every day. So we're going to do this 4 times a week, and sometimes we're going to go then also live like it is today at 1 o'clock. Okay, maybe 1 o'clock. I don't know if we were going to do this tomorrow as well, but for you important is right now only to check out this time. We're going to do this 4 times this week. So today we did it, tomorrow, and so on. Okay, and that's it, guys. Hope you like this live stream, and we're going to see then next time, guys. Bye bye.